Welcome to the 2025 Forest River Sunseeker 3250 SLE. This is your ticket to an unforgettable family adventure. I'm Jeremy with Kramer Outdoors and Pierce RV and Marine, and this Class C motorhome is built for comfort. With sleeping for up to 10, it boasts a private queen bedroom, bunk over cab, flip down bunks, and a kid sofa sleeper, perfect for large groups and families with kids or bring those grandkiddos along. The two slide outs create a spacious living area, complete with booth dinette and sofa for cozy evenings. Cook with ease in the modern kitchen, featuring a recessed 3-burner stove and convection oven. Enjoy the full bathroom with skylight. Relax under the 11-foot awning with LED lights. Packed with the LE Premier package, including backup cameras, generator, and solar prep, this Sunseeker is ready for the road. Contact me at jkramer@pierce.biz to make it yours today.